This is how I chase beacons. What you're seeing in front of you is a page out of a book listing all the beacons in the country. Down here towards the bottom, highlighted in yellow, you'll see the number 393. That's the beacon I'm listening to. The call sign, FGP. Then it lists the upper and lower sideband offsets, the cycle of the signal. I'm actually kludging something here to hold my phone steady for Amber. It's coming off of Fort Bragg. You can see that highlighted right there in North Carolina. These are grid coordinates. Military folk will recognize those. And the signal is 40,000 watts is what it's broadcasting with. So as you can hear, I have it tuned in already on my radio. And I'm going to, if you don't have one, this is a sound card oscilloscope. It helps. It's also got a like a spectrum analyzer in it. I just thought I'd show that to you real quick. It helps sometimes with special tuning. So now I'm going to open the software package. That's this little icon right down here. It's called NDB, Non Directional Beacon Finder, NDBFinder. So here, this is how it opens up. And I use this specially. I go in here and set in that offset for the sideband. I come back up in here and I set in the carrier frequency. Give it a go. I don't know if it's showing up, but up over here in this corner it says audio limiting, which means I'm overdriving it a little bit, so I have to turn it down now that you've heard the signal, and you can see the peak's flat top. So if you get it tuned in right, there it is. There's the Morse code right across there. And up here, I've collected 850 samples, and I've got one set point. Now this is a little soon. Generally you have to let this run a long time, especially if you can't hear the signal. And see this peak right here? That's that beacon. See that? There is the frequency from that chart where it repeats, and here's the beacon. Yeah, like I had to do last night, drill this in. I may not have collected enough samples yet. There it is. FGP. Just like the thing showed. Down over here, highlighted in yellow, FGP. So now I have confirmation that I have captured that beacon. I come up in here, I save the file, I put the call sign behind it, and I'm off to the next one. Hope you enjoyed this one, Amber. It's all in fun.